No, hoy no trabajo. No trabajo mañana.
Every morning he tells me if I'm gonna go to work.
Oh my God, bro.
No voy a trabajar. And don't ask.
He says something. I'm like, what the? I'm like, you sound just like my mom. Bruno sounds exactly like a Hispanic mom. If I'm not already up by like 7:30 in the morning, he's over there already by the door trying to open it.
Oh my God. Bro, I'm trying to go to sleep.
He's very sassy, just like my mom.
¿Qué pasó? Vete, Bruno, te encuentro. Ajá. Uy, no, para el closet no. Para el closet no. Where do you think you going? Hey, Bruno.
He's saying something that my mom would say. And so, yeah, it was pretty weird. But his first 10 years with me, he didn't like me. My mom has always wanted a parrot. And ever since, he's been part of the family. He would just always be with my mom. If she's cutting fruits or vegetables, he's right next to her. If she's on the phone, he's there just listening to her. He ended up just picking a lot of personality traits from her. And he didn't like my brother, my dad, or myself.
Bro, come on.
Sheesh. At least say que. If you can say que, by all means, you probably make my day, make my whole life.
And so during the pandemic, I was home more often than my mom. And then I noticed that he kept talking while I was around, and then he started getting near me. It got to a point where he started getting on me. I would give him neck rubs. That's when I realized, hey, I think he's starting to like me more than you.
Yes, sir.
And then one day, I would hear my mom's voice. I'm like, Ma, and no response. Why isn't my mom at work? I get up and I see that she's not home. So I go to Bruno, and it sounded just like my mom. Now, as soon as I come home, he gets very talkative. He's always asking me if I'm gonna go shower. It's 4 o'clock, you should go to work. It's always work related, which is pretty common in the Hispanic household. That's all we really talk about. And it's pretty funny having him around. Now, I'm his favorite person. My mom, she was a little bit jealous, but at the same time, she understands. He's like a guardian. He cares about me a lot. He's always looking around, just making sure that my surroundings are safe. He's throwing wings and beaks. He always wants me to give him neck rubs.
Look how close this man gets.
At this point in life, we do have that bond that I've always wanted.
It's time to watch more